Celine F. Cabli.
To our school president, Engineer Romeo A. Corpus Jr. To our TFPI board, to our school principal, faculty, staff, parents, guests, classmates, and friends. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Thank you for being with us in this one-time memorable event in our life. In behalf of Kindergarten Class 2023-2024, Movers, let me take this chance to express my gratitude to everyone who has been there. To my wonderful teacher, Teacher Daima, and Teacher Tess. Thank you for guiding us through each step of our journey, teaching us how to read, count, and be kind to one another. Thank you for always encouraging us and believing in us. To my fellow classmates, I want to say how proud I am of each and every one of you. Together, we have learned and had fun while making lifelong memories. I will miss you, classmates. To my loving parents, thank you for all the love. Thank you for the constant support and helping us on this journey and build our biggest fun. Mommy, Daddy, you are the reason why I am here today. Thank you so much and I love you. To our school division, Christian School Incorporated, we are grateful for the knowledge, experience, wisdom, and memories you have given us. You truly enhanced our life, especially to our Lord. Thank you for giving us wisdom and strength. This is not possible without your guidance. Fellow movers, congratulations!